Stop manually typing the date every time you open a Word document. You are wasting time and you are going to forget to update it every time. The mistake is thinking you have to do it manually. Here's the hidden feature that does it for you. Select where you want to insert the date and just press Shift Alt and B. Word instantly drops in the current date for you. But here's the secret. If you want to change the format of your date, maybe you want to show hours and update the date automatically, you go to Insert. Then from Insert, you select the date. From here, you can see we have different date formats. The long date format, the one we have used initially, and many others. So if you want the system to update the date automatically, you have to check this box which says update automatically, so that when you open the document, the date is updated automatically. So let's select it and you click OK. Now when you close this, let's say we save, then we reopen the same Word document. When you open the Word document, you see the date will always update to the current date. It's as simple as that. Drop a follow if you want to master Microsoft tips this week. Have a good day.